Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to talk about how much and how many. So specifically we're going to talk about questions and answers and give some examples. So let's start. How much, okay, we use how much with uncountable nouns, okay. These are the nouns where it's very difficult to count, right? 1, 2, 3, it's difficult to do that. And maybe because there are lots of this thing, it usually comes in a big size, or maybe because it's a liquid, okay, and it's difficult to count how much of the liquid there is. And we also use how much for price, okay? So if you just say how much, usually people are thinking the price. How much does it cost, okay? And how many we use with countable nouns, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 pens. How many pens are there? Okay, let's look at some examples, some questions and answers. So look at this. It's difficult to see from the picture, but that is rice. So how much rice do you have? Okay, it's difficult to count that. It's uncountable. And the answer, we have a full bag. Okay, how much rice do you have? The next one, we're going to talk about this person's hair. Okay, how much hair do you have? I have long, spiky hair. Okay, or I have a lot of hair. Okay, here's a coffee. How much is a coffee? Okay, so in this case, we are talking about the price, right? How much is a coffee? It is $3. Okay, that's the answer. Okay. How many cans are there? Okay, these are cans of vegetables. There are 3 cans. Okay, cats. What do you think? How many or how much? How many cats do you have? Okay, you can count them. 1, 2, 3. I have 9 cats. Okay. Let's look at this example, pizza. So how much pizza do you want? Okay, it's kind of uncountable, the amount that maybe somebody wants from this pizza. You say just a little. But you can also say, how many slices of pizza do you want? So sometimes we can use both how many and how much with the same noun, but we need to add something like slices. So for example, water. Water is uncountable usually. So you say, how much water do you need? But then you think of a bottle of water. Bottle of water is countable. So you say, how many bottles of water do you want? Okay, I hope that helps you with your learning English journey, and see you soon.